everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you how I got this beachy waves. So let's begin. I will be first middle parting my hairs from front to the back into two parts. Then I will take the right side and divide it into three parts horizontally. So I will take the first layer and then I will divide this into three parts, and other two layers I will clutch it at the back. Then the first layer I will be dividing into three parts, and first part I will take and then I will divide it into three parts and make a three strand braid. Then I will take the second part of the first layer and again making three strand braid, and the third part of the first layer and again making the three strand braid. And then all three parts I will collect into one and make again a three strand braid out of it. That's how I make a first layer. And coming on to the second layer, after I clutch the first layer to the next part of my hair, clutching the first layer at the back, then I will take the second layer and divide it into three parts. Then I will take the first part of the second layer and make a three strand braid, then second part and again make a three strand braid, and then the third part and again make a three strand braid out of that. Clutching the first layer at the back, then I will take the second layer and divide it into three parts. Then I will take the first part of the second layer and make a three strand braid, then second part and again make a three strand braid, and then the third part and again make a three strand braid out of that. Then I'll be making three strand braid of all the three parts of the second layer. Then I'll be clutching to it to the back. Now same I will be doing to the third layer. Coming on to the left side of the hair, I'll be dividing it into three layers horizontally. Then I'll be taking the first layer and rest two layers I will clutching at the back. I will divide the first layer into three parts, and then I will take the first part and make a three strand braid, and then second part again making three strand braid, and the third part and again making a three strand braid. and combining these three parts into one braid and packing at the back. Same with the second layer and the third layer. Now I will be putting aloe vera gel on my hairs cause it has sticky consistency, so it will set my hairs more better. If you like this video, then please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.